We tried to challenge ourselves for the past 30 days to build a dropshipping business as a beginner, and doing all this while working full-time. So with me having 1 hour max each day, probably. How it all went down, you'll see now. So at the beginning we did what everybody always does. We clicked through a bunch of YouTube videos, watched thousands of videos on how to get started, tutorials and everything. And what I have seen the whole time, like what struck my interest, was TikTok organic dropshipping. So this is a method where you just buy the product itself, then film videos and edit it, and then post it, and then hope for the video to go viral. So you don't have cost for ads, like marketing costs, because you're filming the videos all by yourself and editing that, and hopefully those go viral and people are coming to your page, following your page, going to your shop and checking out. Why is it so interesting? Because you have no cost. The profit margins are therefore huge, and this is what I tried. This is what I found interesting. So I did the burner phone method, where you create an account, a TikTok account, and then optimize your algorithm to show you only products. And then I try to find viral products which I could sell. I sell it for like 3 products, which I only did try to push 1, because the others I didn't like, or I couldn't really film cool videos with those. So that's that. So after the product arrived, I immediately got to filming. I tried to recreate TikToks that were going viral already. I tried to recreate them as close as possible. That's how I started. The first videos got around like 1,000 views to 600 views. I think on YouTube Shorts 3,000, with people commenting like, where do I get the product? And that's why I built the website pretty early as well, because usually I think you wait until you have 1,000 followers on TikTok, so you can put a link in your bio and people can click on it. But I started earlier because the YouTube videos had more reach, and you can post a link there. So after the first 2 weeks, we got our first 2 sales, because a video of mine went completely viral on YouTube. I'd say like okay-ish. I mean, it's at 40,000 views I think now. Oh no, 30,000, 31,000. Anyway, so we got our first 2 sales in the first 2 weeks from it. So we made $77, and the product, with the product and shipping costs, it was around $22. So we made a profit of $55. This doesn't include like website costs and the app costs and the product costs, which I ordered the product for. So all in all, I think we profited around $20 in total, because we bought so many products which we haven't really So after we got our first 2 sales, we were extremely hyped. We were like, okay, the next phase, 2 sales again, 3 sales, 4 sales, 10 sales, and we'll get to 10,000, 20,000 a month really, really quick. Yeah, that didn't happen. Why, you ask? Because I am such a genius. I started this challenge while knowing that within this challenge, within the first 30 days, I was going to go on vacation to attend a wedding from my friend for a whole week. So we weren't able to like film any videos like at all. Like I did 1 video before, and also after I came back, my parents flew to vacation and I had to take care of their business. So I was completely dead. Like the whole shop, I did almost nothing. So all the work that I have done in the first 30 days, you could probably achieve that or make that in the first week or even less, because I barely posted 1 video each day. I think I got to like in the first 30 days, I posted around 25 videos. And also from those 25 videos, a lot of videos were having 0 views because I repurposed content from other creators, because I tried a lot of things out. So all in all, like probably like 15 videos that were getting views at all, right? So you could achieve that really quick, like if you post 2 times each day. Other things that took longer than expected was the Shopify shop. The first one took so long because I was tweaking little things. I tried to optimize these things and that, and it took a lot longer, but I am definitely a lot quicker now. If I build it from scratch, I'll be probably done in the day instead of like 4 days. Also a lot of research about ads, because I will be starting ads next month 100%. Also a lot of research with voice, the 11 labs and everything to get the perfect voice. So that took all longer than expected, but now I feel like I have a really good base what to do. Oh, by the way, if you want to follow this journey on this store in particular, and also other future stores which I will try to build, hit the subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. And also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button as well. So I talked for way too long. Let's get into the first 30 days, the last 30 days. So it stayed at 2 sales. I haven't had a single video that went viral after that. So $77. These are the 2 sales we had. We had 377 online store sessions, a 0.5% conversion rate, which is really bad, I think. 12 add to carts, 5 reached checkout, and 2 sessions converted. Total orders 2, average order value $33.28. So these were the results after 30 days. But honestly, work-wise, it would probably be closer to like a 7-day challenge or 14-day challenge if you had if you have a lot of time, which I didn't have. So where do we go from here? I actually ordered 3 new products in that same niche. So I'm trying to build a whole brand around my store, because I feel like this is the way to go now, long-term wise, because the product will die down and then you'll have to find a new one. And so I'm trying to build long-term a whole store which can sell products in that niche and then keep going and keep going, because once one product stores, I feel like, are dying out, except if you have an extremely viral product. But yeah, so this is a plan. I will also start paid ads as well, because I feel like those products, they are doing really good. Actually, they have that wow factor, and I see competitors doing ads for a long time, so obviously they have to be successful, or otherwise they would just be burning money. So I'll definitely start with paid ads as well, which I'm really excited about. This sums up my first 30 days of this challenge. It was super fun, and I learned a lot, like really, I mean it, a lot, which I will use to keep the store going. I'll update you guys regularly, so I will be posting twice a week. Once I start doing ads though, I will try to do a video each day again. And yeah, until then, see you next time. Bye.